Number 5.
When you can take fresh, healthy ingredients and combine them in quick, delicious recipes, every meal and snack becomes a little bit like magic. Make it quick, healthy, and delicious with the original Magic Bullet.
Number 4.
We all know the benefits that come from eating a healthy, balanced diet, but sometimes that's not always easy. Until now. This is Nutribullet, the original nutrient extractor. With the Nutribullet, you can now easily get your daily recommended fruits and vegetables in a fast, simple, and convenient way. Not by eating them, but by drinking them. The Nutribullet is a nutritional breakthrough designed for anyone looking to improve their overall health with nutrition. Here's how it works. First, add spinach for fiber, berries for antioxidants, and some banana for potassium. Then almonds and seeds for omega-3 oils. Add water and watch how the Nutribullet completely breaks everything down. Even the fiber, nuts, and seeds have been completely broken down, extracting all their essential nutrients, creating a smooth, delicious nutrient-packed smoothie that can literally transform your life. The secret is Nutribullet's 600-watt motor, combined with bullet-exclusive cyclonic action that forces everything into the Nutribullet extractor blades, breaking down and pulverizing the stems, seeds, and skins, releasing the essential nutrients trapped inside, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods, giving you the strength and energy you need for a full, active lifestyle, whatever your age. The Nutribullet comes with everything you'll need to get started on your path to health and wellness, including the supersized 24-ounce cup, perfect for everyday use, and ideal for making healthy dips, dressings, and sauces. The Nutribullet makes getting those vital nutrients fast, convenient, and you'll be amazed just how great it can make you feel. To get the most out of your life, you need to get the most out of your food. Nutribullet, the original superfood nutrient extractor.
Number 3.
Crushing technology crushes ice to snow in seconds with 1,000 watts of professional power. Our BPA-free XL 72-ounce professional blender jar is perfect for making creamy, frozen drinks and smoothies for the entire family.
Number 1.
The new Ninja Mega Kitchen System, featuring professional blending to instantly crush ice and frozen fruit to create restaurant-quality frozen fruit drinks and smoothies. Professional juicing to instantly pulverize and liquefy ice, entire whole fruits and vegetables, making complete nutrient juices that retain all the nutrients and fiber with no tamping and no extra water. Professional power in chef-certified food processing with an 8-cup processing bowl and professional performance in chef-certified dough mixing, making up to 2 pounds of bread dough, pizza and pasta dough, cake and cookie batters in less than 20 seconds. Plus, you'll get all that same professional power and performance in a 16-ounce single-serve cup. It will change the way you eat. It will change the way you live. If you want to look and feel your best, then you must control what goes into your body.